So I always hear lawyers say it depends when trying to answer specific questions about settlement amounts, but what factors really influence car accidents specifically in the settlement amounts involved?
Yeah, so there's several factors that will impact the value of a case. So things like the severity of the injuries, what treatment is needed, how long is recovery going to take, the property damage to the vehicles involved, and specifically how the crash affects your day-to-day life. Those would be some of the bigger factors.
How big of a role does medical treatment play in the settlement amount number?
Oh, medical treatment is huge. So the length of treatment, the type of treatment, um, are often the foundation of a personal injury case. So if somebody doesn't get evaluated thoroughly, or if they stop treatment too early, then the insurance adjusters like to argue that the injuries are not serious. So that's why it's really important to follow through with your medical care.
Is there ever a situation where an injury seems minor at first, but then it turns out to be much worse later? What do you do then?
Yeah, that happens all the time. So, adrenaline right after an accident can mask pain, and some injuries, like herniated discs, do take a while to develop. So, if injuries do worsen, we're able to update the claim and add those medical findings to the claim itself. But the key here is not rushing into a settlement until you truly know the full extent of your treatment and injuries.
I've heard that if two people are in the same accident, same vehicle, their cases might be evaluated differently. Why is that?
Yeah, sure. So two people can be in the same car, same crash, yet experience two completely different treatments and injuries, so to speak. So one person might walk away sore for a week. Another person might walk away with ongoing neck and back issues. Everybody's bodies just respond differently, and these insurance companies use those individual impacts to evaluate claims.
And how can a lawyer assist to maximize that settlement amount?
Yeah, so a good attorney makes sure that no detail goes uncovered. So we'll work to gather all of the medical evidence, investigate fault, um, make sure that all the medical findings are added. And the point is to make sure that your client's story is fully told and supported. So the more complete that story is going to be, the stronger the case you'll have.